Alright, hello everyone and welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be simply teaching you how you can remove green screen in your Premiere Pro while editing. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, make sure you go ahead and import your green screen clip and then put it on the timeline, as you can see I have done.
Another one.
So basically, in order for you to go ahead and remove the green screen key effect, all you're gonna do is click on effects right over here and you're going to simply search for Alt key. As you can see, there's going to be a plugin that's called Ultra Key, so you're just gonna drag it on top of the video, and on the top left there is going to be effect controls panel, so you're simply going to scroll down until you see Ultra Key, as you can see. And now there's going to be a option that says key color right over here. You're simply going to click on this icon right over here, and as you can see your cursor will change into the icon itself, and all you're going to do is just click on any green surfaces that you want to key out. It doesn't even have to be a green screen, it can also be a blue screen or any color you want. So basically you're gonna click on there, and as you can see the green screen is completely keyed out.
Another one.
And it is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful for you, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.